बीचेस जो दिल को शांति देते हैं और माउंटेन्स जो एक नई एनर्जी लाते हैं और शॉपिंग जो ट्रिप को यादगार बनाता है। सो फाइनली वी आर ऑन वाइजैक। Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Vibe with Vishnu. Today I'm taking you along with on a beautiful 2 days trip to Vizag, or should I say the jewel of the East Coast. We started our journey from Hyderabad to Vizag in Vande Bharat Express and it took around 8 hours, but honestly the ride was super smooth and comfortable. So after reaching Vizag, we checked into our hotel near Ramakrishna Beach. I recommended staying near RK Beach because you will easily get hotels in the range of 1200 to 2000 per person. वेलकम टू डे 1 इन वाइजैक।
बाद लड़कियां तैयार हुई हैं, पता चला फिर से कुछ याद आ जाए, फिर से मेकअप होने के लिए चले जाए।
We started our day with breakfast of vada idli in Udupi, जो कि ओके था, but filter coffee was so good. So our first stop was Kailashgiri Hill Park. If you are visiting with friends, especially girls, I suggest renting a car for 2 days because it's safer and super convenient. Kailashgiri is beautiful with panoramic views, city and coastline. For lunch, we went to the authentic restaurant that is a Rishi Valley family restaurant, which is near to the Rishikonda beach. Now, Vizag food is no joke. It's spicier than Korean food. If you love spicy and flavorful Andhra meals, this is the place to be. लंच के बाद थोड़ा मज़ा लेने हम चले गए थे बीच में। After that, we rushed to Dolphin's Nose Lighthouse because it closes by 5 p.m. And this place is around 174-meter high. And the view from the top is just breathtaking. You get to see the merging of the Bay of Bengal and Vizag port. Highly recommended reaching here before sunset. To end the day, we headed to Arada Beach. And this is one of the cleanest beach in Vizag, and the sunset here is so magical. You can also enjoy some delicious seafood from the local stalls. And the perfect way to wrap up the day 1. Day 2 started early with roadside breakfast, simple but so delicious, with this beautiful view. So our first destination was a beautiful hilltop temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu, the Padmanabha temple, which is 30 kilometers away from Vizag. The view from the top was immense. The environment here feels untouched, almost like a hidden gem away from the crowd. Next, we visited the famous Himanchalam temple. If you are short on time, just take the 500 darshan ticket. Otherwise, go for the free or 100 ticket per person. You will be done within 40 minutes. The temple architecture is stunning and the darshan experience was so divine. After temple visits, it was finally time for lunch. For lunch, we went to my restaurant, which is near Siripuram Junction in Vizag. And oh my god, the food here was so good. You must try the dona biryani here, and it's aromatic and just perfect. This was honestly one of the best meals of the trip. In the evening, we chilled at Rushikonda beach. This beach is a little more commercial. You will find small markets, seafood stalls, and a vibrant vibe. Perfect spot to shop, eat, and relax by the waves. And with that, we ended our day 2 with adventures. So on day 3 started with the refreshing vibes of the beach, where we enjoyed the calm waves and peaceful morning atmosphere.
Finally, guys, we are ready to explore day 3.
On day 3, before heading back, we visited the expo nearby our room. Then we headed towards some Rhine.
କହିଲା ତ ମୋର ନାମ ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ଆସୁଛୁ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି କହିନି ତମକୁ ପ୍ରନାଉନ୍ସିଏସନ ଆସୁନି ସେମିତି କହୁଛି ହଉ 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 ହଁ ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ପୁରା ଷ୍ଟୋରିଟା କହୁଛି ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ନା ना हम लोग आज इतने सारे तैयार होके निकले थे शूट करने के लिए बीच ने हमें अपना रास्ता दिखा दिया फिर हम आगे रूम में फिर से चलो कोई नहीं हम यहाँ पे ही शूट कर लेंगे.
Unfortunately, heavy rains cut our day short, but honestly, 2 days are more than enough to explore Vizag's highlight. If you like this vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments which place in the Vizag would you love to visit first. Until next time, bye bye.